All of Dan and Laundry's machines spinning. Samsung on 7, Miele's on 3, Bosch is unknown, Candy on 6, Logic on 9, Hotpoint on 6, Beko on 8, Sanusi on 9, unknown for Indesit, and Hoover on 6.
Which one's on 3?
The Miele.
Miele.
What about Samsung?
Samsung's on 7. There's the tumble drying, it's Hetty.
Are they dry?
Think they're drier.
I think I might need to go in for more.
Okay. Who will win the spin race?
Who?
Who's gonna win the spin
I
race?
said Hoover.
Oh god, I don't think the Hoover's going to win.
No. I'm placing my bets on either the Miele or the Bosch.
Why the Lucy has a plastic nail though?
Yeah.
Because it's a washer dryer.
The dial's vibrating.
Yeah, I know. I think the drum's a little water. I think it might be where the bearings are on the way out on this
Yeah. Miele has 1 minute to go.
one. You need to step back a little bit to the hot point.
Oh, I can hear some slowing down.
The Indesit's slowing down. Hot point's slowing down.
Oh, I think Miele's finished. It says 0 minutes. I think the Miele won.
Yeah, it's just slowing down.
It's the first one.
Bosch! Look at the bar!
It's the
Oh,
first one
I think the Bosch has won.
actually stop. It's the first one to actually stop spinning, comes to a stop. That's the winner.
Yeah, that one's still.
Yes,
yeah,
it's Bosch.
Won't unlock
Oh.
yet.
That stopped.
The hot point's up 2 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll do anti-creasing.
Yeah. Oh, the Bosch is anti-freeze. Oh, I think the Miele won.
No, I think the Bosch won.
Try opening it.
The Miele won.
Before you open the Bosch.
No, the Bosch is still anti-creasing.
Miele's won then.
Yeah. Candy's on 3, Logic 7, Hotpoint 1, Beko 5, Sanusi 6, Indesit unknown, Hoover 3, Samsung 4. Well, the Candy's ramping up. Or is it the Logic? I can't really tell.
I think it was a Logic.
Yeah. Let's open the
No, I
Miele.
think it was Cameo.
Yeah. Have the drawers and doors open. Then they're finished.
Yeah, don't open the drawers on the one that are still running. So the Bosch is ready to open when the spin light starts flashing.
Yeah. The Indesit has stopped spinning. It's just anti-creasing. I'm thinking the hot point's next. Oh, hot point's second. I think Indesit will be next.
Try not to lean on the Candy and Hoover because they will.
They're
get-
so sensitive.
Yeah.
Oh, the Indesit's third.
Yeah, there's a bit of washing powder left in there.
Right, next one I think will be the Candy or the Hoover. The Sanusi's got broken bearings, but you can't really tell at the moment.
Not unless you listen carefully.
Yeah, it does sound a bit rumbly.
But
Oh, I think the Beko's slowing down. No, it isn't. One of them's slowing down. Samsung is still going.
The Samsung's are quite. Oh, Bosch is done.
Oh. The door's not unlocked yet.
You need to pull it a little harder.
There we are. Candy's on 1 minute. So is Hoover.
Yeah, the Lucy's vibrating a little bit.
Yeah.
And also the feet on this are busted as well.
Ah.
No, I literally have to
Samsung is anti-creasing.
the Zanussi,
Oh.
the feet are busted. I've used coins to level it.
Yeah.
The front feet won't adjust.
So it was Bosch 4th. Which one's 5th? I think it's the Samsung. The Hoover and the Candy are still spinning.
And they don't anti-crease either.
No.
This is candy quality.
Yeah. Oh, I think the Candy's slowing down. And the Hoover. This could be very close between the Hoover Candy and the Samsung.
Logic at 1400.
Yeah. Well, the Beko has stopped spinning. I think it's good doing anti-crease though, 'cause it's still got 2 minutes left.
Yeah, but the Hoover and Candy don't anti-crease.
That's so terrible. Especially with cottons.
Yeah, because cotton scraps sleeps out so easy.
Yeah. Oh, Candy's 6.
You have to wait. Once this light goes off, that means it's on off. Same
Yeah.
like with the Hoover.
Yeah. They're made by the same company.
Yeah, just like Instant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Samsung is waiting to unlock. Which one?
Instant, stop opening the door.
Which one will unlock first?
Oh, Samsung has finished it. Once it
Yeah.
goes away and it says end, that means it's ready to open.
This is going to be really,
Oh.
really.
That goes!
Oh, Beko.
You need to wait for that to stop flashing.
Oh, Samsung unlocked first.
Oh, well, what about the draw?
Oh yeah.
It's quite a small draw for a 9 kilogram machine, I must admit.
Yeah.
And this one's a massive draw for 6 kilograms.
Oh, they're slowing down now. Between the Hoover and the Candy, could be very close.
Zanussi now slowing down.
Yeah. Oh, Beko.
Candy!
Oh. Hoover.
Look at this tiny draw!
Oh my god. The Zanussi is so. Yeah, I can hear the bad bearing sound. Unfortunately.
The bearings aren't that bad yet, but they
Right.
are.
Zanussi and the Logic. This could be very close.
They're both on 1 minute.
Yeah. Oh, it's Dexter.
Dexter my cat!
Just check
Yeah.
this.
Are you dry yet?
You check. Oh, Zanussi's drowning.
Yeah, I think they're dry now.
Between Zanussi and the Logic. Oh, they're both anti-creasing.
Yeah.
Here's Hetty.
Who is sat on her hose?
Yeah. I will move it after. This could be very close.
I can't tell if the logic's finished until it unlocks the door. On the Zanussi, the door light will begin flashing once the cycle's actually ended.
Yeah.
But it's not yet, because
It's still got 1 minute anyway. Oh, what did Dexter just knock over?
I don't know, probably who can. Logic is ready to open once it says end here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bit loose actually. Not as loose as
Listen.
that generic lift at John Lewis.
Oh god. That was like really bad. This could be very close. If there's a Lucy thing, just don't turn it off yet, because I want to hear the beeps in real life.
See if it's as annoying as it is over cool.
Yeah.
Zanussi's door is. Oh, Logic's.
Oh.
Zanussi lost!
Yeah.
That's what he deserves for trucking the RCD. Or maybe it lost because it's a washer dryer.
Trips the RCD, it's got broken bearings.
Other than that, machine's working fine. Although it hasn't
Yeah.
tripped the RCD in a while.
No, it's still got broken bearings though.
Yeah, but still fully functioning.
Yeah. After this, I'll show you his mom's machines.
Yeah, my mum won't mind me putting them on a spin, so I'll put them on a spin once these are finished.
I don't think I'll turn them off. I think I might just look for the cycles on there.
Now can I turn it off? Or do you want to wait for it to beep again?
Wait for it to beep again. Zanussi lost that, and neither were. Oh. That beep really is annoying. Here, there's Hetty, there's Ozzy Dry, that's